Hello everyone, so let's unboxing this one. It's LBC, no? LBC. I don't know what's this. Oh, let's open it. Oh, we have this one. A new wireless mic. Oh, we have this. A wireless mic again. Thank you for this, Richard. Oh, already have this one. Oh, it's a pouch. We have a pouch. Don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe my channel, everyone. Let me close it. Oh, okay. Oh, she's so strong. Have a pouch. Pangatong tubig yan. Yes, and let's put it here. And also, we have it's two. If you don't want to use this one, so you have this one, the black one. As of this, and put it here. I already have a mic. Yeah, we have a mic. You have all this. Ay, yes, we have these two. I already have this for the phone, so let's open it. So this one. Also, we have this cordless mouse. Yes, it's a cordless mouse. Mouse. Oh, asa di ang mouse for laptop. Oh, so nice. This one, and then you have this one, just a pocket one. Yeah. Then you need to put it to the laptop. Everyone, don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe my channel. Thank you for this, Richie.